Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now the first change that you will see in WordPress 6.1 in the site editor is the ability to create templates for a particular item. Now let me show you what I'm talking about, but let's just head over to WordPress 6.0 first and see how templates used to behave there. So this is WordPress 6.0. Let's head over to templates right over here, and you can see there are quite a lot of templates that WordPress has already, that 2022 theme basically comes with, and you can add new ones from right over here. Now what happens when I create an author template right over here? So what will happen is this author template, this new one, if I will create this new author template, it will automatically apply to all of the authors on the website. So let's just understand it this way. So if a site has two authors, A and B, and if I want to create a particular, if I want to create a specific template for author A, then I cannot do that because this template will be applied to both of the authors A and B. Now this has changed in WordPress 6.1 beta, or you can say this will probably change in WordPress 6.1. And to see this change, let's head over to templates right over here. You can see, you can click right over here. These are all of the templates that you can create. You can create templates for first things, for specific pages, single item, post taxonomy, custom templates as well. Okay, so keep this change in mind. And now when you will when you will add any of the templates, it will show you this sort of an option where you can select either you want to create this template for all the authors or for a specific author. Now when you will click this item, it will show you that there is an author for which you can create this template. Basically this will, if there are multiple authors on your site, then those will be displayed right over here. Okay, now you can select this, and this template will be only applied to that particular author on your site. The rest of the authors will have either the global template that you have set, or in case you have created specific templates for them as well, then those will be there as well. So this is the first change that you will see in the site editor in WordPress 6.1. Now moving on, the next change that you will see in the site editor has been introduced in the style settings. Now there are two main changes that you will see. The first one is the introduction of the separate style settings for buttons, and the second one is for the headings. Okay, so let's just go to WordPress 6.0 first and see if we could style buttons and headings. Okay. So this is WordPress 6.0. Here are the style settings, and you can see right over here there are options available for typography, colors and layouts. And let's just click typography and see if we could style any of those things, and click, and you can see no, we couldn't do that. Okay, so there was no option available as of now in WordPress 6.0. Now this has changed. Now you can go right over here, click the style settings right over here, click typography, and you can see headings and buttons. Click headings and you can select any of the headings and you can style them. Now there are fonts as well. You can see there are 4 new fonts: DM Sans, IBM Plex Mono, the system font, and the source serif pro. Okay, so these 4 new fonts have been introduced. You will see them in other font family settings as well. So you can see right over here styling for headings, and this is for buttons. Again the same font settings, the size, appearance, line height. Go back. For colors, you can see right over here for buttons and for headings. Click it, you can select for any of the heading levels and click it and you can select. Okay, so this is the second change that you will see in WordPress 6.0 that has been introduced in the style settings, or this is basically the change that you will see in the style settings for the site editor in WordPress 6.1. Now, after the style settings in the site editor, the next topic that we are going to discuss is the changes that you will see in the navigation block in WordPress 6.1. Now, navigation block in WordPress 6.1 has received quite a few changes where the option to create a new menu, manage menu have been moved right over here in the in the block settings. Okay, so let's just head over to first WordPress 6.0, which is right over here, and you can see the option to select start empty or create a new menu are right over here. There are no options available in the sidebar. You can see the layout option is right over here, typography is right over here, dimensions are right over here, but there are no options available to create or select a menu or to manage menu. Now this has changed in WordPress 6.1, or this will change in WordPress 6.1, where now you can create like this. You can see right over here the menu option is available, which is missing right over here. Okay, this is the first change. This is the first thing that you will see. Then you can switch menus from right over here. You can select the header navigation 2 or header navigation 1. This option, again, when that option is not present over here, then this is not available. That option was present right here on the toolbar that allowed you to basically select menus. Let me show you. So you can click here, select menus, right? Let's just start empty, add a link. Okay, now the option to select menus is right over here, create a new menu is right over here, and manage menus is right over here. Now in case you want to manage menus, let's just start off with create menus is right over here, then managing menus is right below it. Okay, so this is a major change where now basically selecting, creating, or adding menus, or basically managing menus have been simplified using the navigation block. This is a very very welcome change, because earlier it was very confusing for you to understand the basically the flow of creation or managing wasn't that good. Basically it wasn't that smooth, I would say, but now in WordPress 6.1 you will feel that this is a huge change. Okay, so this is the change that you will see for the navigation block in WordPress 6.1. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.